vose vanochoka ndifamba naye mustriti pese panonfonera nondiudza kuti mwanasikana ndoda kuenda kujoina city newe kumbonospenda single
Joiner City, Freeman, featuring Kalisi. 10 minutes before, 10 minutes past 7 right now. That's our time on Star FM, sounding good all the time. Yeah. Vapinda comrade, vapa napa. Vapa Nzimbo King. Arda utoloncha chimwe chinyowani chakunzukisa kuti zvakamira manje. So munhu wese ngapinde pa Facebook live. Apo tichikuruka na Freeman Sly tichitara just now. So munhu wese right now pa Facebook page rakanziro Star FM. I hope matenga data. Nditika, stand by.
Are you feeling happy? Are you excited?
Say it with Pepsi.
I see you celebrating.
Say it with Pepsi.
Do you want to party?
Say it with Pepsi.
Express your feelings with the all-new Pepsi Moji packaging in 500 mils, 1 liter, and 2 liter, and say it with Pepsi today.
And welcome to the segment On The Spot, which brings your favorite celebrities, influencers, actors, soccer players, politicians, prophets, just to mention a few. Yesterday, I hosted Munwangwari Apostle B. Java at Parabani Maneru. You can check out the interview on our Facebook page, next time in case you missed it. On today's segment, I am hosting one of the biggest musicians in Zimbabwe. He rose to fame when he released the song Joiner City, the one I played just now, and has been in the industry for 10 good years and has been consistent, for that matter. They call him the HKD boss, Sly, Dr. Wema Gitare, Mukomana Wepa DZ, Mukomana Wepa Zora Sekwa. Not only is the Pombi hitmaker, a musician, but also a fashionista and a huge soccer fan. Mukomana is known for his signature, definitely, and has released the hits such as Happy Times, Jagaipa Daindarega, Gomba, Ngaibake, just to mention a few. I am talking about the one and only award-winning musician, HKD boss, Bone Energy Sylvester Chizanga, popular known as Freeman. Varipano, he will be taking us through his musical journey and give us more details about his upcoming album David and Goliath, set to be launched next month. Wakoman regeti mbomberera makuti wachingamiza pano. Mukoma Sly,
Woyo
Mapint Pele Muripo. Ndiripo King, welcome. Tunokuchingamiza pa FM, tunokuchingamiza pa Chirongo On The Spot.
Oh, thanks so much.
And vanhu vazhinji vanga vakangomirira kuti mumbouya tingoti mukoma ola chimbonze mukoma Freeman kani mukoma Freeman kuti vanouya amene kuti vachazopa
Mandeve one maona sei.
Unokuchiteera zvako.
Yeah, ndiko big fan.
Uri big fan?
Yeah.
But ungozikadi kuya.
Amandewe. Yeah, bomo.
Rakari pressure, very true. And
I still have the pressure, bro. I
serious
feel the pressure, but still because it's a phase.
Yeah, zvinopfuura. And saka pamunoti definitely papa Freeman. Unenge uchinyatoreva kuti kudii papa, because I have noticed you don't leave out that a word that kaka statement ikago so kana kakachipinda in most of your songs, if not all.
When I'm doing my music, I always make sure that I'm putting my all.
Yeah.
So I will try to come up with some big songs. So it's obvious. It's definitely. I'm making big songs. So it's definitely. Once I'm studio jet. Yeah, it's definitely.
Nice. That's what saka mnemjira kuti chikutouya ende chakati chikutopisa.
Because you have to believe in yourself. That's it.
Yeah.
If you don't believe in yourself, no one is going to ever believe in yourself.
Yeah, that's very true.
Yeah.
That's very true. And you've been rocking the music since for a decade now, and you've been consistent ever since you started. And what's your recipe to that? Unozita say Freeman.
I didn't know I was gonna make it this long because I've seen enough artists coming in the industry. From what you give up.
Yes.
Yeah, but I didn't. I didn't give up.
Murukuna muchingopusha consistent chinhu chekuti vazhinji vanotadza kuti mwanuti akata hit song nhasi mangwana atichatomunzwa or next year atichatomunzwa, but imimi mukura mambo chinyo kuti mukabudisa imwe so motokanda rimwe futi pamunobudisa even ma singles anongoita ma hit zvine zvinyatsofambaza unozvironga sei zvinhu
well, like, honestly I don't plan this zvinongoitika music is like more like gambling unongoto funga pamwe uri kubuda uchipinda basi so inini like I said just believe in yourself that you can do it right inini I've faced I've met so many upcoming artists when I went to Mkomongo, so did I see the thing when there's something behind that I do, or maybe when Kunganga or anything, I can't mention names here, but they could come to me and say, Mkomongo, so did I say, I don't do anything. In any God made possible for me, and He's still making it possible for me, and I always put my hard work. That's it.
Nice. And chinopa kuti ma-artists mazhinji vanobuda vanorowa ma-hit songs. I'm not going to mention some names here. Vanorowa hit song, then the next thing is quiet. Atodona.
You know, it's easy to break through rather than reaching the consistency. It's just easy to break through. Than kuzoramba urimo game. And it's very good.
Chinobudisa no game chi. Maonera.
I could relax.
Relax.
I could relax.
Saka pani pachida hit after hit.
Well, it's not talent when there's no hard work. Apana talent yacho. Even those ones who are paying us say, I know a lot of artists who are good out there, but they don't work. So what do you expect? Ola? What do you expect? Definitely. Apana
and but I'm sure
hard work plus effort. You make it, trust me.
That's very true. And it is the After Drive show. We are talking to Freeman Watina Ipanaba live on our Facebook page right now. You can check us out on Star FM Facebook page. Tina yemukomana Sly wekwachizanga ari kutaura pano nesu achazotitsanangura nezve album rake Nyowan raarida kuburitsa David and Goliath. And Born Energy Sylvester, how did the name Freeman come by? Rakabva kupi is there?
I started way big when I was at school. I was a soccer player, I was a professional soccer player though. But I was a goalkeeper. Okay. Yeah. So way back when I was at school, the Ukagava Freeman, I was given by this other teacher of mine, another coach. He just used to say, keep that man busy. He must not be a free man.
All right.
Yeah, from then, my shit's out in Rom Cola. Free man. Yeah, so yeah.
Apa, Urugunzi free man, but back then, why don't you must not be the free man?
Yeah. That's how it started.
Exactly.
Yeah, I just like the name. I just like how we used to say it. You mustn't be a free man. You mustn't be a free man. So yeah, from then when I was with free man.
Are you still a footballer or was it because of music?
That's not doing a game. Serious. Team artist like King Shadana Peter Moyo. Gasforia. Yes. So we play every Wednesday, every Sunday, just for the love of soccer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So utam position ibi manje?
Apa ndino Ghana angu.
Okay.
Ndiro kana mabora
zvekutodaro. Zvepa gate zvikuchoroka vasiyana nazvo.
Ona chi. Pa gate ndakazobasiya bozi ndakazombochikoka chiguru.
Waroerwa shinda yebhora mudaro.
So from then on so yeah, I'm now a striker, but I'm just plus in I'm addicted to soccer. If I'm not playing soccer in real life, I'm playing FIFA.
Okay,
yeah. So that's it.
And it's funny, I know, I only got to realize that HKD is abbreviation for Hatimire Kusapota Danger Zone.
Yeah,
that's because we see all along with really? So, yeah, during my research, then that's what I find out, okay, it's Hatimire Kusapota Danger Zone, HKD.
Yeah, and so it was just Danger Zone at first. It started with me and my other guy, and the Tetlas. He's still there. Yeah, he's so good. Yeah. But you know, if you're meant to be, you just go forward. Maybe I got some music, but he was so good. So at first, it was called Classic. It was called Classic Vibes. And then after a month or so, since this is in like that time, and I wanted to visit. Visit when I went to Zone. Then that's how it came out.
Okay. And my songs like we say Danger Zone. Exactly. Then Zagada sort of because you don't get team Danger Zone, kwaita team yeMafia 19, kwaita team yeManinja, something like that.
That period
zvakatombonetsa kunza Danger Zone.
Vaimona zvaipusha ngoma.
Yeah, I remember that time.
There's some artists from Mafia 19. There are some artists from Vigilance Family.
Exactly.
That's when I got to know Toki through Vigilance Family.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Kuna Fire Family from Ricky Fire. Fire Colosso, that's a D. You see, my banditi, with property, exactly. Conquering Family. Yeah. It helped a lot with industry.
Exactly. That's very true. And you are the founder of HKD Band. Who are the members of HKD?
HKD in the one day. There is Darula, there is Delroy, there is Crystal, there is Magical, of course. He is now staying abroad, Shakaram Zimbabwe, as well as Vivian is now staying abroad. There is a youth who is called Chemical in Black Korea. He stays in Gezi. If you remember that song,
exactly.
Yeah, that first one that I did with him. Yeah, he's part of our clan as well.
Okay.
Yeah, but he stays in Gezi.
For one to qualify or to become a member of the band, what credentials do you look for? That's if you are.
It's not me alone.
Even recruiting.
It's not me alone who make the decisions. Yeah, I have got people who I work with behind the whole Danger Zone family, the whole HKD crew.
Under my decision.
But in India, don't know what it is.
So, monotola talent jet or monoto groomer.
Yeah.
Yeah,
there are some of the things noted to never HKD. We didn't know what I know and what I've experienced as an artist for all this long time that I've worked in the industry. I'm still yet to learn.
Yeah.
As you since Ndati Freeman, I started this. Darula can come in and tell me something. No, I have to learn and agree to be taught.
Yeah.
It could be Deoro. It could be even what I talking of Deoro. He's younger than me.
Yep.
He's a young artist, but he even wrote some of the songs in this album. He helped me. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I was even approaching some other artists. I wanted this to be different. I didn't want that free money. Exactly. But Diori came through. Yeah, he helped me, I think, 2 or 3 songs.
Oh,
yeah,
nice. I'm glad that you're actually assisting other, helping other artists to grow their brands as well. And at what age did you discover you had passion for music?
When I was 16, that's when I started to be serious. I started writing I was with this big counter book.
Yeah, my number.
My number. But it was not my songs, no. My songs are this be when I'm Butkin Clani, Trinta. And I was a big fan of Trinta.
Yeah.
It inspired me a lot. There was some other time when I was in a comp and my song was being played there.
Yeah.
Non Parudo, Non Parudo. You know that song?
I know that one.
Trinta Karoa. Indiri Mama. For me to say it's me. Because I was sounding more like him. Because he inspired me a lot.
Okay.
So yeah.
I love that. And most people get to know you, of a Freeman when you released the hit song Joiner City. And from the lyrics, I'm sure I'm not the only one who thought Joiner City was a hotel. Pakabuda song yo bozi.
This is my barang. This is was nyachunganisa. Azibona rapanze. Man, this is how any.
Exactly. Plus unongoza yazo zene building letters zikuti mukurumbira.
Because
very true. And the song and do I get Joiner City mbiri. I'm from that one, but it's Joiner City afana mugeza ku 9.
I think what was Zinzwa.
Baba uzoti kubona ngati mombai credit yake akafaiza chino.
They have to do something.
Exactly, but before that you had released about 7 songs. What
including Non Parudo? It was my big song Mugeto. My baby
But what kept you motivated? Paga Roma song 7. Ana kupinda, pozo pinda rapo.
I feel like I can do it. To be honest.
Yeah.
I felt I can do it. One day I will make it. By that time, then I had to go to some of the big studios. For example, Night Shade, to mention but a few on still one day I'm gonna find my way in the Joshua. Mwari wakuzongopindira
vazotoita ende wakazoramba uchinyatsomaintena the level racho. And let's talk about the first time you performed in front of a huge crowd after the release of Joiner City. How was it?
All right, the biggest show that I've ever performed after that was the Movado concept.
Oh, that one.
In HSCC.
Yeah.
I was still young. I was so nervous. I don't think if I performed well.
Yeah.
But I was so happy. I was so impressed. You know, Movado, trip at the same table, in everything, my pictures.
Yes.
And I was on the same poster with Gaspori and Mafia 19 King. Winky and Sniper. And I was like, yo. But I grew up listening to those artists. Winky, I grew up listening to him. Sniper, I grew up listening to him. Not knowing good when I grew up artists.
So what was music Bindura or what?
That's where Tona is sure after then I would butcher, but I butcher and do other. But in India and the wrong one.
Butcher.
Oh, not butcher again.
Kupi Bindura.
I could Snake Pago.
I got for how long?
I think for a year.
What was see? Sauntunzvisa zvokutocheka nyama uchiera paskero
makomercial super economy
unoziziva dzese
affiliate
pamaskero ekunhingirina ekubhucha paro eskire
obviously yarova ndokakara game kedu
kuti unowedzera chi
kakudai nekudai
kuti kana iri 10 kg inenge iri yakadzikiswa pero skero yakatambwa nayo
ndokaranga zviti kedu
ndakakaka zviti kedu
parisa mwanonzi kondakabva kure 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 kure
exactly
chokwadi pepe.
Oh.
Yeah, I was one
so mabasa wakaita mangani
from then but I don't drive a truck in my jecha
edo emango boys
right truck areas then so me and my other brother anonzi Masho Chizanga
yeah
tisonga tiri varidzeshi
werori
scene so kwese kunana chishawasho
yes
I would make some deliveries shona graft.
Yeah,
but it was hard. I don't know. It was hard.
Yeah,
but those are really and it's not supposed to be an easy road.
Yeah, true.
It's not supposed to be like that.
And when you realized, right, okay, I'm now the new kid on the block, and then I'm talking
do you know that's some university it just happens to me. If I think of something, do phone with them phone. So now I phone can so kikwada like I was driving driver I think I'm thinking of something but very good phone and from there but next studio somewhere graphs
and Pokas Wato a celebrity Freeman, how did you manage to adapt into that kind of lifestyle? You know, na Butcher Boy, I'm now a celebrity.
Yeah. People starting taking pics with you.
Selfie. Exactly. Exactly.
So you definitely change what not to. So I'm now turning to being a public figure.
Yeah. And you're one person, Freeman, one don't want to gashinshi patita ma shows, pandita ma MCs niki uchito audadire vanhu in terms pano yachiti totora selfie picture na Freeman ndona kombre munomboshingira. Yeah, shingirira mapicha chitorwa andisana bona muchitena on down say aiwa ndikuda
those are the same people who have been supporting me from day one.
Yeah.
So ukada kuvachinyira they are also the same people that you're going to meet on your way going down.
Yeah.
So yeah, they met me, so I have to be there for them.
Oh, nice.
And there's nothing special about Freeman. It's only that he's a public figure. But after all, I'm a human being.
and you're very humble, Freeman. You're very, very humble. I wasn't aware that you're also actually, a songwriter, and that you write for others, you know, as well as the likes of Nox, Baba Harare, Darula. Isong ngipi ya Baba Harare ya wakanyorera? Oh, that one.
Yeah, that one.
Jimakanyora.
I wrote that one.
Wow. So are you friends na Baba Harare?
Big friends. Yeah, we're good friends.
Yes.
Chukutodaro.
Well, one of us meet my friends, my friend muchirwa same genre. Let's say simdanzo then
Aiwa, no.
Moto linka zokudaro.
Chukutodaro. Sometimes go to the gym together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how does it how does it work? Do they like pay or something to on your song?
Yeah, they do appreciate. They do appreciate, but like this business, Ola, I can't be just being a writer for free. They do appreciate.
Yes.
Before I start writing, there's always an agreement. Yeah.
Could you just say but just from just saying?
Yeah.
Lovely. And did you know that you are regarded as Chibaba Chema videos? Were you aware?
Yeah, I was once told.
Yeah, I was told.
And try.
In most of your videos, panobuda pombicha zijaizo.
Pombicha zijaizo. Nandi.
Munozona kubi.
Everywhere. Just make sure we don't talk one chocho. Of which it's not easy to come up with a video because you know we depend to spend no money to one.
Like a wonder, yeah, that's true.
But I have to do what I have to do for me as an artist. And expect more good videos as you.
Right.
Definitely.
Definitely. Definitely. And Changurangadza Vateri took that about Freeman HKD Boss. We are live on our Stephen Facebook page. And let's talk about the robbery video. Those visuals, are on another level. Freeman, and one thing I like about you is being dynamic. You are moving with times, you know, which is a good thing. How was the making of robbery?
To be honest, it wasn't easy, but with the help of the Godzilla Tinashe Mtaris, he played a very big role.
Bye.
Yeah, because Baga Tishandu him there. He did a lot. He did a lot, and you know it's not easy working in such a big business. I don't know, spend those various
Munai.
Tito Nai go back saying I think that's come past the 10.
I eat Tinashe. They be raw. I can play on that Tinashe about that video.
Oh, okay, Tinashe made that video to happen. Yeah, from sponsoring it, everything. And he was also acting.
Yes.
He's a gangster.
And I can feature the gangster.
Yeah. But he's a good person.
He's a good person, yeah.
He's a good person. And which is
and most of my pictures I was no follow up on post most of his pics are one picture nasa segera guys
yeah, but Tinashe made it happen.
Yeah.
I do appreciate that man has been supporting me from when I started knowing him.
Yeah. So soon after you released the album Robbery, a story went viral, you know, saying you were involved in the Chatcomb robbery that happened in the capital city last year.
Just because my album was called
Robbery. A picture of you and and one of your alleged, robbers, Charles Chirara, went viral. What was that about? You know, one of the alleged robbers, Angaribo.
Yeah, I knew Charles Chirara from way back. Angarim soldier, right?
Okay.
Of the state. Yeah. So he used to come to my shows to come to security for free in his uniform.
Yes.
And
I don't know why you
Hey.
Yes.
It was what you and that pic was taken in 2016, like we were in Ngezi. But they say it's like he used to attend many of my shows. So what he used to do behind, I wouldn't know. So coincidentally, a robbery took place when I released my album Robbery. And then I was caught by the police for some investigation.
Yeah.
And then I made it clear that I'm just an artist. I wouldn't be asking everybody around who wants to have a pick with me. What do you do? Are you not a killer? Are you not a thief? That's not impossible.
Yeah. And it's very important that we mentioned that. But what was the message you were trying to send about the song Robbery?
I was just only trying to tell my wife that I can do anything for you, despite the danger. I'm just there for you. I'm just there to please you.
Yes,
that's the only thing that I wanted to.
Great. And I love that album. I always listen to that album, even Jifamba and just Ninchita. Music are going to come even River 10. Sometimes even my tone angu wachola pa YouTube, they are always on.
What doing them?
I'm guys.
It's just good to be a father, right?
Yes. So, but was the issue resolved?
So I paid up there.
But as number during that time, police
honestly, I was disturbed because I was disturbed. I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
Because I was getting phone calls.
Exactly.
In all angles. And at first I could respond with, wangu busy. Busy, yeah. My jokes.
Hey.
And
was not serious. Serious.
It's getting worse.
Yeah.
Then I had to go there. Now. And we ended up watching the video. Was video like
okay.
So we actually was in what are you portraying?
Exactly.
But I'm portraying in this kind of music.
Set up in music.
Then I showed them the video. This is all about love. I have a gangster. So from then we became friends. You know how it is.
So Nemanga Mashogo, are you also saying maybe probably our investigators investigate even ngangoti team yedu ichiri mumashure ne art zvekutadza kunyatso appreciate the art to an extent that kuti patinoti tigadi say something like robbery we watch my movies Freeman tinoona akabata pfuti ma movie meme apana nombobvunzwa, but when our local artists akabuda akabata pfuti mu video or whatever, then you
else. I think that pic which circulated me with that guy who was in the robbery scene. Do you know what is
Nyangari Baba.
Yeah, with
that seen that picture.
I don't think it was gonna be that worse.
Yeah, but I'm glad that I mean Wakazo recovered from that, and the album did well despite of that. And you have worked with a number of talented artists from XQ, Darula, Babashero, Mighty T, Aledi Squanda, Mbeu, Tami Moyo. Just to
half of the industry.
Half of the industry. Exactly. You have worked with everyone.
I love to work with others.
Yeah,
that's true.
And amongst the ones I've mentioned, Nevangwanda Sirira, whom did you enjoy? Working with the most?
Kabashero.
Yeah, and I'm sure that was the first time we heard Babashero Bachirova song.
Like a different genre.
A different genre.
That was the first time.
Yeah.
I was even afraid when the Kawari did a song because that song was complete without him at first. Yeah. All those parts are by like
oh, okay. First, yes.
I wasn't sure that is he gonna accept let's work. So I made the phone call, Van discovered CRG song, just leave the song to me. I'll listen to it. Then when I received the phone call, I come to Tumgiza Aquatic Studio. The big man has agreed.
And what happened? Could you take us through the process?
Okay, you know how it is. I don't know where he was coming from. Then within the music industry, for me to be saving for a long time, what you must do and what I must not do.
That's
right.
True. Yeah.
Before we started recording, because Mukuru has been there. If I remember very well, I think my 95, 94, Mukuru has been there. I was a big fan of Mkuru. I could hear his voice when he was still doing music with
Nicholas Zakaria.
Yeah, I could hear his voice. There's a guy who is not in Zakaria, who is so fun. His name is Alec Macheso. So then when he started his music industry, his album was released in 1998. Sarah. I was impressed that so even Mkuru, he knows good. I've been a fan. I've been a fan because I think I once shared a stage with him in Marwendira, even in our recordings, where I could go on stage and sing some of his songs. He was shocked. So we went there. Then we recorded. But he's big, but he could take some of the advice that I gave him in terms of laying the vocals. But it's not but it's still, I'm glad with the
and Kwatiri, the media, I mean the radio wise, the song was on number 1 for almost 3 good months. Chirira chiripa number 1 ngaibage was a hit song. That's creativity, and still on that note of appreciating fellow artists, Freeman, in 2019 at the Star FM Music Awards, XQ was the biggest winner, and the collabo you did together in Zenza won an award. He walked off stage and didn't give you any credit. He apologized on social media after he was attacked by fans. Ngatitangire pakuti ndiana akanyora song iya inonzi Nzenza.
I did my part, he did his part.
On that song.
Yeah.
And we were going to say, after XQ, I ended up on stage, then he didn't, give you credit of Angotra award. Then, and who is the owner of the song, by the way?
It's him.
It's his song.
Yeah.
So ndo saka aka nauti bila niko tora chinti changu was.
I don't think so.
But you guys tora say pass na credit.
Maybe Mkuru wakata mistake was wakata dibo. But as one batang. No.
Are you okay, and are you friends?
Yeah, we are brothers and we have been brothers.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, he even then came to me and just like this is what happened. I'm sorry, but
exactly.
It happens, yeah.
And the good thing is that you're explaining this to the mass.
Yeah.
Because the perception, yes, probably water spray that they had to say
they don't get along.
Exactly.
Yeah. But how we are good.
Yeah.
X can even come to me when this I want to write a song, but I didn't idea.
Yeah.
Can you just give me a hint?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are close to that extent. Yeah.
That's so, really interesting.
Yeah.
And during that incident, you caused tension between you two. That the time you actually before our Zogti wangu sorry for that. As now konzaka tension in pakati penyu.
No. Not even now.
I know you're a big fan of Bazooka, Freeman.
Yeah.
What's that thing, that Bazooka has? Chisinda wangoma artist is
Bazooka my lines. Bazooka my lines with that.
Yeah.
Animal lines.
Animal lines.
I do appreciate that. Yeah, animal lines.
And should we expect a collab?
I feel like he's not working that hard. Yeah. He might be bigger than what he is right now. Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'm not going to
right?
Yeah, on a personal level.
Yeah, even in Angu, I was good, but I'm not going
to. Just good.
But should we expect a collabo from you two guys?
Definitely. I wanted to work with him on this other project. Then when I'm saying word, but it's still there. I think I'm gonna just
studio.
Yeah.
Great. And new talent is emerging every day. Mama Dara Murumu Danso. But I believe the competition is becoming worse. Steve, it will be competition. I'm also quite a little
I do like it when I see new crops in the industry like every day. The competition has to be there. As make sense with who's going to JP Ndianungo fly Kevin fly Wednesday,
yeah.
Then the other artists are just there, local.
Yeah.
I want to see every artist, every youth going out there and trying to make a live, right? So I'm not afraid of new talents. I'm actually happy for them because mkuru they might be nyuka kwatiri but ukatobvunza
pane
time zviramba
para kungoshaka breakthrough
for you kuti uzonzwa fire emoji
yeah.
We might think that is his first song but that youth is, and I do respect that youth because he's from Chegutu.
Okay.
Mistaken,
yes.
right? But you know how it is. If you're not in a hurry, that's how our industry is. But that man is from Chegutu. I do respect Leo Magos.
He's doing very well. Yeah. I'm sure it's his time. Maybe pandopana pina consistent paka zvamunozoita imi makarowa hit soka rakapisa motogara madonedza rimwe kuti tichi munhu asakanganwe
consistent
vanhu asakanganwe. There is something that I fail to understand Freeman to that nyaya yema artists anopedza song achingosimbisa mbinga kubva song ichitanga kusvika ichipera, you know, that on its own soka kills the song. Is toda kunzwa song, toda kungonzwa zita, I mean takungopedza takungonzwa zita rembinga Niki from Chakati throughout.
Mbinga ndoerengeendisa pari kustudio
but saka song yacho ngaichipuwe mbinga yacho ari dzake mota make ungoti hake kuti aiwa mndaraunda yenyu moridza yenyu pana kuti isu tira kupuwa song tiridze kuredhiyo kunoku Freeman then tiri kungonzwa Niki from Chakati Niki mbinga dzega dzega toita sei chii chine chichitora nzvimbo.
I think one of those ones maybe the Mbingas wants their names to be mentioned in the songs. We don't know.
Yeah.
So money rules, man. Once you're given money.
But asi zviri kuuraya manje the vibe. Zvingagadzirisike sei? You say as an artist, zvingagadzirisike sei nyaya yakadai? Can't you talk to your Mbingas and just, you know?
I talk to them though, but kuti ndizvaudza kuti
apa uda mari uda song irecord.
I think people should just focus on doing music as a music, not doing music because of someone.
Yeah. Ndiri pabata zvangu.
Ini nangu I do music from my heart, and some people do music for the art.
Oh yeah.
So there's a difference there.
You have passion for music.
Straight up.
Yeah. As of now, how do you view Zim dance or music and the music as a whole in Zimbabwe? What do you want to say?
Honestly speaking, for the past years, music in Zimbabwe has been dominating. We have grown, even though we are still yet to be known internationally.
Internationally, yeah, true.
But people are working, bro. Not talking of Zim dance only. Every genre, we have hip hop. Especially hip hop. These guys have been working. I do appreciate the likes of Voz, the likes of Senfloor, Holiton,
and
Takura. These guys are working. You know, 2015, 16, it was only Zim Danso. It's still there, but it makes sense when some other genre are making noise out there. Not ones where Killer T Freeman, Sekalas Wing.
Pano mwakatombotanzo ni yakupera Zim Danso yapera. I had
it's there to stay.
I had Holiton saying that.
Ananga joker hando mzee.
My jokes.
Asamanya ngando wazena ngo joker.
Azwa Zim Danso ayipere.
No jokes.
And to that, what are you grateful for? The most that have ever happened to you, or that you have achieved through music. Chonesta ndikunyasotenda kuti ichi zvinhu zvekuti ndakazoda kubva chakaitika through music.
A lot, and with me very zvakati one day, to be honest. You know, from being a nobody to somebody, it's not easy. Out of all these artists in the country, I'm one of the biggest artists. It's not kuti ndakapenga strict. It's the love that I've been given by the people of Zimbabwe. That only means a lot to me. I wasn't expecting I'm gonna be big like the way I am today. Because chitokoro kwanga kuti artist anga ariko kudara. And I thought maybe they were gonna be there forever, not knowing that I'm gonna be one of those big artists.
Yes, true.
So that love that I've received from the people that listen to my music from day one is the biggest thing ever. Not talking about material things. No, that love means a lot to me.
Exactly. Great. And the great African giant Burna Boy came and performed in Harare this year. And rumors circulated that he was paid around 250,000 US dollars. Pamsoro Pazo. Fans attended in their numbers. Besides the steep price of the tickets, this didn't go well with your fellow musicians who complained that Zimbabweans do not support their music, let alone shows. Do you agree?
Sometimes I can say yes. Because talking about this support, local support, right? I have seen a lot of people insulting artists. For example, there's this artist one singer. Why do people are always on your neck? Kiki Bades. Even if I go post something, it's bad. It's bad.
For no reason.
For no reason. But post it could be Yemi Alade. You know, it's not good, like, to be honest. And this is good. Maybe when I interview, they're gonna be tugging me with hi baby. But it's still.
But Freeman,
it happens.
My international artists, they get paid huge, amounts of money.
Yeah.
But per same event, if you are Burna Boy 250,000, then you are getting paid $600 US dollars or $50 US dollars on that same event. I remember Sniper.
The respect is different.
Yeah. Why?
That's how it is, bruh. And I don't even know to explain on that one, because it has been happening from day one.
Is it the artists? Is it the promoters, or is it the fans?
Maybe it's because we are not yet recognized internationally. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
maybe they will start valuing us, and they start giving us the respect that we deserve to be given. Yeah. On the 12th of August, Freeman, you posted something on your Facebook page. Let me read it out. You said, "So today I've seen a video of Makadzi landing in South Africa from UK at OR Tambo Airport, being given a big welcome, escorted by South African police and a big crowd in front of her vachifara. Asi pedwa hapa kungoti gidi kudzika ndege kungodzika ndege vanenge vachitoda nezvako." You went on to talk about mother giant vaiti ma celebrity ndobeja chete ndinopedza nawo. Close court ndo mashoko akanyora. HKD boss nyasa kuti tsanangurira kuti pa airport apa zvinoye zvinyatsofamba sei pamunouya, uye maida kutambirwa zvakaita Makadzi here, kana kutiwo pane mutsauko kana musiyano wamuri kunyatsoonawo zvechokuti apati kuri kunzwai isi tiri kunzwai, chingadaro chiri chikonzero chipi maomero enyu? And it was and what I posted was true though. It happened to me. Yeah. I was once there, I think, for more than 5 hours, and your COVID results, they were official, they were real. Yeah, I missed me and my brothers, and I was told I should say I want to deal with these public figures. And I was also told Matthias was there for 8 hours. 8 hours. Yeah. So it didn't sit well with me. Being like a foreigner in my own country. So yeah, that's why I had to post. Saka umaonera ko zvingagadzirwa sei chichemo cha ungade kupa kune vari kunzwa ma relevant authorities right now, they are listening to this show. Ungade tipagadzirwa sei maonera ko se artist sekuti ku South Africa Makadzi akatobva escortwa zvichidi kuno kwatina kuona izvo motomiswa 5 hours, zvingagadzirisike sei? I think as a public figure, not me alone, they should just try and adjust their treatments towards us as citizens. Okay, not us on public, but every citizen, right? Kungo tawana vanhu zvakanaka, yes, right? I'm not trying to harass them in front of people, because vada kuti kuti nanjisi to harass ola dini na. Exactly. You know, like at the end you're getting nothing. That's true. I know you are married, Freeman. You are married. How do you manage your work, family, as well as traveling? Family comes first. Family comes first. Yeah, straight up. Even though I'm at work, I always make sure kuti vatozoti ndiri kuinda izvo right now they are listening. I always make them know every move that I make. So family comes first. So basa retu warene but muri pamberi.
Zvakakosha. How supportive is your partner?
She's very supportive.
In your hustle.
She's very supportive. Even though sometimes vachimufira jealous akona ndine pombe dziri pavideo. But
exactly nekutsinda kwamune makaita kumira noroma smart. Ndombotaya but machenera mune makaita yaya. How do you handle ladies who throw themselves at you even vanokanda shoko ku DM chacho kuti ndarati kunakiwa nemi? Munozviendela sei?
I think as a public figure, you have to treat your fans in
a good way,
on a same level, right? I'll just treat them as fans, straight up. Of which triwana perfect. But it's not easy. It's not easy for you to accommodate every woman who comes your way. With some other people out there, they come to you with their own agendas.
Exactly.
So I've seen that happening and I've experienced that. But chiwana zvichiitika ende zvinoitika kune vamwe vanhu zvozoguma sorry saka kungoti thanks. Thanks for the support, thanks for the love.
Exactly. Zvogumira ipapo. And uri mumwe wamaartists asina kana mascandals when it comes kunyaya dzemadzibhebi dzine zvakasiyana siyana. But pane nyaya yakamboda kuchibuda pamashure apa yekufungirwa kwako kuti iwewe uri kudanana naDarula. Makambodanana here naDarula?
Darula is more like a sister to me. He's more like a sister to me. You know, that's how it is in this music. Just work with the female counterpart ibebi rake. But still I've known Darula for so long now. I started knowing his daddy. I used to work with his daddy. Daddy, I mean to say. He did was a meat inspector.
Oh.
So he's the one who told me that I've got a daughter of mine who is in the music industry.
Exactly.
Let's try one day. So but I'm saying Sunshine. Then from there
Mama go push her.
And she's still there and she's still part of the family. But to me she's like more than a fellow artist. She's like a sister to me.
Great. And pane nyaya yakambonetsa kunzi mavharwa mota Benz yakazopera sei? Hanzi makavharwa mota Benz.
Ndotenzwa pana.
Kuti pane mota iri kunzi Freeman akambovharwa Benz or something like that.
Ndotenzwa pana mna.
Amsana matomboinzwa.
Kwe madundudzo pakainzwa.
Ati madundudzo pakainzwa.
No, nothing like that has ever happened.
Anditi, do you have a stylist, Freeman? Because masmatsa munorowa mdara ndiye kumbira.
I'm my own stylist. My own stylist.
Wega zvawo.
Yes, straight up.
Mdara munozorowa masmatsa. Aiwa, munopedza.
Thanks so much.
Plus munotoinspire mageto itu kugeza because you know mageto itu anhu anongonza because geto yacho but maroero enyu manje anditafana kugeza. Tamba nemvura chacho.
Thanks so much.
Unoziva Freeman, pane madhezi akambotrenda. I'm just thinking ndotosvika ndakagara panapo. Pane madhezi akambotrenda, you know, masummer shades chichichi. Then pane madhezi akambotrenda maarmbands aya aiswa maoko nechemusoro. Mambori nazvo mudara.
Obvious.
Ndakaona wapanda wakawanda zvakatombotengeswa just because of you.
Vanhu
vakaona chotenga. I remember those days, man. I think 2011, 2012, 2013 tikuchedzera Freeman. Wapana wachipfeka za Freeman pageto. Zvinongofadza. Exactly, you're a trendsetter. So let's talk about your upcoming project, David and Goliath, to be launched next week. The title yamukisa yega pachayo. How many tracks are on this album?
I have 13 tracks.
13 tracks?
18, yeah.
Wow. I mean, could you begin this album, 13 track album?
Some of the tracks I even recorded them on my last project. But they couldn't be on that project. So I think I got 4 tracks.
Okay.
Then this year I started working with February. Then I finished the project I think around July. Yeah.
Okay, nice. And you are bringing Jamaican artist, Jamaican star. I don't see Chris Martin. I love Chris Martin. music yake so. And he's also featuring, I mean, is he also featuring on your album, or he's just coming as a guest artist to perform?
Alright, Chris is coming to perform, but I don't want to tell you what's in the project.
Mudara, but I don't okay, so
Chris is coming here.
And what should your fans expect?
A surprise is definitely. I know a lot of people, they just aware that Chris is coming.
Yep.
What's in the bag?
They don't know.
They don't know.
Mungo said it in suspense. Say. So kuniva chango tanga kuzonya iye this album maratruku ramuru kubutanywa David and Goliath featuring rikuya Christopher Martin. Rikuitwa kupi murikulonjera kupi rikubudira kupi album iri uye muswani so that vanhu vanyatso ziya nezvazvo.
I think the album is gonna be on the it's gonna be online the whole way on the 6th of October.
Achieving
like it's gonna be all over online stores.
Yes.
Then the launch is on the 8th of October at Alex Sports Club.
Okay. Great. Tinokutenda ngoma Freeman nekuya rigeni ngotora messages mashoma kubva kune vateereri vanyora tikasengeta waitira rudo tisina kuerenga ma messages awo. Hanzi ndibvudziro mukoma Freeman kuti Kelly akaenda kupi?
I heard that she's now based in SA. She's working in SA. Yeah.
Hanzi akaenda ku SA. Hanzi ndikumbara pa kwa Freeman une vana vangani?
Guys, ndine boys I am there.
Boys I? How many?
3.
3 boys yet?
3 boys.
No chimogo. And the boys are yega. Much respect to Freeman Nyasha Chipanda Pakwayedza farm ku Glendale. I'm enjoying the show. I'm Andy Drofara HKD boss Sekto Daro. Nice one. Hanzi ask Freeman why akaba aboda zvachose ku Nobu Studios iriyo yakafamba naye kubva achisimuka.
Ndinanguda kuNobu, only that the producer is moved out of the country. Yeah, but we still talk though. Yeah.
Nice. Anza ungondisimbisiro Freeman utanza nondigonera singaite anzi I think Freeman can sing to music.
And everything that as long as it's music.
Munopinda pese.
I'm there.
Anzi ko Sandra avana kudana na here. Sandra. Brother Sandra.
Because I did a check with the
makaita song na Sandra Devil. Zvikazima kuto something.
Saka ndozoti ndakata check na bara.
Makutozi futi pane something.
It's only working now.
Azi zuri say all ndonzi Michael Dziko UK. Ndibvunziro ka Freeman and I love his music. Anzi ndibvunziro kuti how far DJ Roo Leeds uya naye Freeman pama scandals anzi apara kuti mwana here iwewe na DJ Roo
ndingone wana na my domain
zoku UK apara fire rabula pa UK kana bede mema kuchana kwa kwa YouTube ndara taura chokwadi ndara mutone mwana ku UK next time anonzi visa reku UK rebonza kana handitese because kuri kunzi kuri mwana
no.
Aiwa vazoramba HKD boss vati kana akuna nyaya yakafanana neiyoyo. Ndara musani maenda ka tari mumboti paka freestyle. I think maybe from the new album. I don't know. So that tingopinda tingozati ka vibe because kune vatira vana kuzadawa ka nyaya iri pano ndiri support our very on musani members wenye freestyle. Ndangokurudzira muri yeZimbabwe but guys go and support our local. Let's go and support Freeman on the 8th of October. You say the venue is Alexandra Sports Club. Munhu wese guys, let's go and support. Ndakaona show ya Burna Boy yange kaleya zvokudaro pa Mzanza apa. So ngatibude mbudiro uya yakaweka Burna Boy tichenda kwa Freeman tinomusupport HKD boss na Chris Martin angari wacho chimhanya ende ndoti koko boss Christopher Martin ndicho tachokwadika angambokwira ndege just to come and perform one song. Apane zvoda kuitika. Though Freeman angorapa angotsenga bazi nini ndringona kuti apane zvoda kuitika. So guys
like he's
performing right? Achimhanya. So guys, let's go and support our very own Freeman vanenge vachichimhanya zvekutodaro chimboti pa freestyle mdaro.
Ukangotamba nevakomana vedripi vasinga kurore ndivava ende shasha pakutaura zvinhu zvinotapira kwete zvinovava ukangona vanomhanyira sleepover vasingakurore ndivava nyatsovatarisa vasingakurore ndivava changamuka isisi mungwarire kuridzwa kunga mabits muri kupisa mumastreets ukangodyira 2 minutes pakutopindwa mumashits unodyiwa seuber eats zvinhu zvacho mafanisi chete kunge kuacta maskit zvamaimanja ihondo paskit oyo
chakaipa utara chakaipa that's Freeman chinyowani chichangobva kuburwa ichi chachinzwa apa mati maslay kutasei
aiwa ndikuudza vana kuti vakomana vedrip
boys vedrip
vangwarire magalisi magalisi
then newe kusleep over
kuna kumana nonguti wadanene simuntu umangwana wekati sleep over
hakuna. That's a good message. I think mashoko mahombe.
You have to make your own principles.
True. Yeah, I'm a Gona King. So mashoko mada kusiya kumuri Zimbabwe mzadi maenda uyezve papanozokubata inde papi.
All right, I just want to give thanks to everybody who was listening. Thanks so much, family, and thanks so much everybody who has been supporting Freeman, buying my music, listening to my music, attending my shows. I do appreciate. May God bless you, and keep supporting me because I'm promising that I'm gonna be there to make music for you forever. And I hope they will like this new project. And definitely they will like it.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
If they want to get in touch with Freeman, on Instagram, my Instagram page is Freeman HKD. My Facebook page is Freeman HKD. I think I'm on Twitter, Freeman HKD boss. TikTok, Freeman HKD. I'm just everywhere. Yeah.
Freeman HKD boss. And also Instagram, it's an verified badge ripo. Blue tick ripo. So thank you so much, King, for coming through to the After Drive.
Thank you so much.
My name is Owen. We're Commodore to Ola 7, the Chief Air Marshal, the Baba Christian Master. Yes.
Oh,
yeah. Odza. You know what I mean? You can follow me on Instagram at DJ Ola7 and my Facebook page DJ Ola7 Star FM. And do pamunukwaza kuti bata ipapo anytime, you know. Ngatitaurete, let's interact mchimbo follow and follow back, muchifollow Freeman and follow back tichitandara tibotara tese pa social media patitika apasi pekutukana ndepekutandara nekuseka tichingofara. That means those are not kuti social kwete kutopinda nema feelings kupinda nemoyo guys. Many thanks to the crew behind the scenes. That's Mike Loud 5 Mushunje, the guy behind the camera, and Nyinketo Writing, the producer of the show. Thank you so much, guys. Meet again. Let's do this again next week. Kwanas. Bye-bye.
Stay with me. Oh, Baba God, would you stay with me? Yeah. From my nanny. Hi, this is Anatolia, and you're listening to FM. Sounding good all the time.
Express your feelings with the all-new Pepsi Moji packaging in 500 mils, 1 liter, and 2 liter, and say it with Pepsi.